Are you looking to update the email address linked to your eBay account? In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to change your email quickly and safely so you can stay connected without missing any important updates. First, open your browser and go to ebay.com. Sign in using your current username and password. Make sure you're logging into the account you want to update. Once you're signed in, navigate to Account Settings. You can do this by clicking on your name or username at the top left corner of the homepage, then selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Another way is to go to My eBay and click on the Account tab. Next, look for the Personal Information section. Some users may see it listed as Personal Info, but either option will take you to the right place. Here, you'll find your current email address. Click the Edit button next to it. Now, carefully type in your new email address. Double check it for any typos, because this is where eBay will send all important notifications. After entering your new email, click Save, Submit, or Confirm, depending on what your account displays. Your email address is now updated, and eBay may send a confirmation email to your new address to verify the change. Make sure to check your inbox and complete any verification steps if required. Updating your email on eBay is quick and easy, and keeping your account information current helps ensure you never miss important messages about your listings or purchases. And that's it. You've successfully changed your eBay email address and can continue buying and selling without any interruptions.